Hello kids, today I am showing you circle, activity about on a circle. It is one sheet of paper, take one sheet of paper and fold it, like this you fold it and make a crease, okay. Then again fold it, make a crease, okay. Now see, it is the smallest side, so from this side to this side you make an arc shape, cut it. Here I have cut it and cut. See, I fold it, then I cut like this, then you got one circle, okay. It is a circle you are getting. And if you are cutting here, this type I cut. So if you are cutting here, it will be the, cut it with the scissor, okay. Then it will be the center. See, center of the circle. From this center to all the places, the distance will be same. The distance will be same. So from this center to any point of the circle, that distance is called, this distance is called radius, okay. This distance is called radius. Then everywhere you see the distance will be from here to here, from here to here, everywhere the distance will be same. So from center to any point on the circle is called radius, and this middle point is called center, okay. From here to here radius and from here to here radius. So through center make a line, it is called diameter of the circle. You can draw from here radius, from here everything is radius. Everywhere you draw, it is radius, okay. The measurement will be same radius. From here to this radius, from center to here radius, from this center to this side also radius. So this line segment passes through the center. It is called diameter of the circle. It is called diameter of the circle. From here to here radius, from here to here also radius. This both from here to here, it is called diameter. It is called diameter and it is called radius, okay. So diameter means from here to here. So this radius plus this radius, so you are getting 2 times radius. So diameter is equal to radius plus radius. Radius plus radius is equal to 2 times radius, 2 into radius. So like this you can find out, it is the relation between diameter and radius. Then how to find radius? Radius is equal to half of diameter. Yeah, diameter divided by 2. Diameter divided by 2. So for finding radius given, to find diameter we have to multiply by 2. And diameter given, you have to find out radius, you have to divide by 2. Radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. So these two relationship you understood. Is it clear? Yes. Now it is the circle. You know it is the circle. How to find the length, the perimeter of the circle? In circle we are not telling perimeter. Instead of perimeter, same only meaning, but it is called circumference. Circumference of the circle. How to find radius, this length? So I am keeping the thread here and measuring it like this up to here, okay. So I got this distance, this much distance. What is the length you see? Using the scale you measure it. You are getting 23. So the length of this circle, that is called circumference. Length of the circle is called circumference, is 23 centimeters. So like this you can find out circumference of the circle. Using a thread or anything, you make the length outside the cover and that find out the length. Okay, it is the circumference. So today you learned radius, diameter and circumference. And one more thing is chord. From in this circle, if anywhere you are drawing 2 points, you are joining. Anywhere you are joining 2 points, these 2 points, that line segment is called chord. If I am joining here, this length is called chord. Here also, diameter also, 2 points we are joining, that is called chord. So diameter is the longest chord of the circle. It is the longest chord. From here it is going smaller and smaller, and from here also it is coming smaller. So it is in the middle. So diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Thank you.